Hey, you.
Yes, you!
Oh, ikaw ba?
You love Bisaya songs?
You want more Bisaya songs?
Fan ka sa ha hasulaog pero atikra atikra.
Then we're talking to you.
Yes, you!
We have a proposal.
Tinula dong? Mo propose na ka? Oh yes, 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 yes.
Di ni proposal para ni mo Proposal ni para makatabang palambo sa musikang binisaya. Aw, abi na ako. Ay, palabi ng abi day. Overdose niya ka. Maka-overdose pa rin ng gugmang expired na.
We're producing a new album called Kadasig, comprised of 10 new Bisaya songs from 10 different Bisaya artists, to be released one song per month starting February of 2017.
Now here's the thing. In order to do that, we need to raise at least 300,000 pesos in 40 days.
300,000.
Sus Mariusip, aman ta ng kwartaha
That's where you come in.
Yes, you!
Nami digital album ni Kurt Fake og Jackie Chan called Ha 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 Hasula Serye. Apilaan na ang Puhon, Pero Atikra, and of course, ang Ha 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 Hasula. Plus, other unreleased songs written by Sir Jude Gitamundok, Miss Therese Villarante, and of course, yours truly.
Now here's the deal. We're donating 100% revenue of the Ha Sula Serie album for the music production of Kadasig.
Again, that's 10 new Bisaya songs from Lourdes Maglinte, Jerica Teodorico, Vincent Eco, Kenneth Cervera, ug uban pa.
Sa laktod nga pagkasulti, buy this album to support the next one.
Mao na mo proposal. You've been enjoying the songs for free online? This time, we're asking for your support. Kung gusto mo padayon mi, support us by paying it forward. Help us raise 300,000 pesos in 40 days.
Para ni sa padayong pagpalambo sa musikang binisaya.
Para ni sa mga sumusunod nga Bisaya hit songs.
Kay sugod pa lang ni, maunang
Support Kadasig.
Share the inspiration.
Padayon Bisaya.
For a complete list of rewards, please visit www.kadasig.com and subscribe to our mailing list.